After a request by the Indian Army, 2 prototypes of light utility helicopter have arrived in Ladakh on 19 August, which is seen as a final capability demonstration for the Indian Army, before the orders are placed for 200 units. This development is crucial for Hindustan Aeronautics, as this comes after the deployment of 2 light combat helicopters in the Ladakh region, as both these platforms are awaiting their first orders. The Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will visit Russia next month to participate in a 3-day meeting under the umbrella of Shanghai Cooperation Organization, but will not hold any bilateral meetings with the Chinese and Pakistani counterparts. The director at Federal Service for Russia's Military Technical Cooperation have said that the delivery of the first S-400 regimental batch to India is expected by the end of 2021, and the contract for 6 Ka-31 early warning helicopters for the Indian Navy will be signed by end of 2020, and he also expressed hope that India will soon sign the agreement on the IGLA anti-aircraft system, while the work is on to expedite the production of AK-203 rifles in India. After extensive interministerial consultations, the Cabinet Committee on Security is all set to clear the acquisition of 2 Israeli Phalcon 360-degree early warning radar systems at a cost of about $1 billion, and another $1 billion will go towards the purchase of 2 Russian A-50 aircraft, and they will be more advanced than the first 3 Phalcon AWACS with the latest upgrades. Officials have said that the radar and the platform will be integrated in Israel, and it will take about 3 years for the delivery of the complete system. Apart from the high-value AWACS platform for the Indian Air Force, the Indian Army is also acquiring 200 indigenous tactical UAVs for its battalion commanders. An Indian startup company, New Space Research and Technologies Private Limited, has been selected as a partner in the first India-US technology collaboration project in the aerospace sector, and the firm will now start work with the US Air Force Research Labs and the DRDO to develop a futuristic air-launched drone for the armed forces, and experts have welcomed the move to involve the private sector in the Indo-US technology sharing initiative. The Indian government will sell around 15% stake of Hindustan Aeronautics at a price of 1,001 rupees per share, and this offer could fetch around 5,020 crore rupees. The government has set a disinvestment target of 2.1 lakh crore rupees for the financial year 2020 to 2021, and the government is also working on completing the stake sale process of about 23 public sector companies. In order to develop futuristic technologies for the armed forces, the DRDO is going for a deep overhaul of its laboratories, as the organization has established an expert panel led by the Director of Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, and the panel includes the Director of ISRO and 2 DRDO representatives, that will review the nature of work being carried out by each laboratory under the organization, and will present a roadmap for reorganization within the next 45 days, and will present a report to redefine the charter of work to minimize any technology overlaps.